Hi YouTube, this is Stephanie with Exclusive SB. Welcome back to my channel. What I have for you all today is a quick review of a haul that I did with Ulta during the past holiday season when they had their 20% off the entire purchase. Now I wasn't able to go to the actual Ulta store, so I completed my purchase online and they sent me 2 boxes just to, I guess, maybe one store had items that the other store didn't have, so they just sent me 2 separate packages, but it was all one transaction. So I'll go ahead and share with you guys what I have right now, and I'll start off with the little small box. And I went ahead and opened the boxes so you guys can hear all the, some of the noise from the tape. But the first thing that was in here was this Freshwater Mist hand sanitizer, and it's by the Ulta Beauty brand. So it does have aloe, vitamins A and E. So I had two of these, and the reason why I purchased these was so that I could go ahead and get the free shipping offer. So I was trying to find something that wasn't too expensive, but then at the same time something that I would be able to use. So I do believe these were $2 a piece. So that's that. And in the next box, this is the box with majority of the items that I picked up. And it just has the invoice. The invoice doesn't include the prices, so I'm not sure if I'll be able to give you guys all the prices of everything, but I will at least attempt to give you, an idea of what I believe I purchased at that time in terms of the price. So the first thing that I will show you all are the scrunchies that I purchased. So I actually purchased 2 of these. This is the medium density, I guess, of these, or the thickness, the medium thickness. And they were $2.99 a piece. The prices on the back there. But these are just black ponytail holders. So that's one. The second thing in here is the next item are the Riviera hairpins, or I think that's what we call these. Yeah, I think they just call them hairpins. So these are in the color gold, and there are 1, 2, 7. That's all. I don't know why. No, wait. Yeah, just 7. 7 other hairpins on here. So they have some little unique design, so I thought that they would be really nice to wear. All right, and then the next thing I have to show you all are 2 of the AQUAPHOR healing ointment. So I've never used this, but I like the fact that it was small, so it was something that I could put in my purse or my bag, my laptop bag. And it is good for dry, cracked, or irritated skin, and it says that you can use it on your feet, your heels, your hands, and your cuticles, your lips, and for minor cuts and scrapes, and also for friction and minor burns. So I picked this up, and I got 2 of these, and they don't have prices, so unfortunately I don't remember how much I paid for them. All right, but the next things that I have to show you all are these Incoco nail polish applicators. Now I did a really quick review of these during Vlogmas, and I will either link the video below or link it somewhere within this video if you guys want to check out the review that I did on these. But the colors that I picked out were this one is called the Love Potion. So the colors of this is pink on a clear background applique, clear sticker type thing. Well, I think it's nail polish, so but it is clear. And then it has, it looks like a hint of silver and pink glitter. So that's what this one is. And then I picked up one called Break the Ice, and the difference between this one and the other one that I just reviewed is that this one is just all silver. So it still does have the clear nail polish and then just silver glitter. And I picked up 2 in the silver. So that was that. And then also I picked up the color Confetti. I actually thought that was pretty cool how they have this one, and because it has the color silver, pink, purple and blue. So I picked this one up. I'm not sure when I'll be able to actually wear this one because it's a little bit out of my comfort zone in terms of me being within a, you know, somewhat of a professional environment. But I'm still gonna wear them. All right, so these are the two that I bought. These were buy one get one half off when I bought them. Okay, and then the next thing I have are some lip balm. So let's see if I can open it without ripping it to pieces. So I picked up two of these. These are made from Shea Moisture. I tried these the first time at the end of 2018, I believe, when I saw them at Ulta for the first time. And so I really do like them. I have a hard time using certain lip products because I have an allergy, like allergic to pretty much everything. But because this is all natural, I don't have any problems using it. So I picked up two of these. This one is the Superfruit multivitamin. It's shea butter vegan lip balm with lotus seed extract, and it's called Smooth. It says Smooth and Renew. So yeah, this one's this one. And then the next one is the African Water Mint and Ginger by Shea Butter, with Shea Butter Vegan Lip Balm with, I think that's Untia extract. And it does still say smooth and refresh. And this one is 100% natural. They're both 100% natural, but that's why I use them, because I don't have any problems with these whatsoever. And I guess it's kind of interesting how they're in pink and green, but hey, whatever. Okay, the next thing is, the last thing. This is actually the first thing that I actually picked out online. And it was this ECOTOOLS Winter Shine collection. So it has in it, let me see if I can give it to you guys, tell you exactly what's in here. So it has the Angle Concealer Brush, a full face brush, diffuse blush, and then the Total Perfecting Blender, and then it also has an exclusive hair pin. So this is what it says. It has a $37 value, and it was only at Ulta. So this was the first thing I actually picked up. And let's see, it on the back of it, it just gives you some instructions on how to apply makeup. So that's it. And though the box is empty, that's all I have. And I will, at the bottom or below of this video, again, I will share the link of the review that I did on the Incoco nail applicators. So I'll include that, and also everything that I did purchase. I will also leave the links below in the description box. So I appreciate you guys coming by and spending some time with me today, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks. Bye.